Kia ora te whānau. Just looking at some Parakore tips and tricks for the whānau, for the iwi, and today we're going to be focusing on coffee cups. So there's a range of coffee cups here, as you can see in front of us. Probably one of the biggest streams of rubbish that we gather on a daily basis. So if you have a look at all these different cups, all branded, each one of them is slightly different. So there's a couple of ways of identifying whether this cup here is able to be recycled. So on the lid, you will see that it says commercially compostable, which means that that lid there can go into a food waste bin. On the bottom of a cup, around the bottom seam here, will also tell you whether it is compostable. Now this one here is a little different. It has the sign on the side saying 100% compostable. So there's no standard practice for this. So it takes a little bit of diligence for you whānau, or when you get your coffee cup, to check out what it says on there and determine where that will go. That one there, the whole cup and lid is compostable. This one here is slightly different. You have a cup lid that's not compostable and a cup that is compostable. So if you were to put this in the rubbish, that one would go in the landfill, this one would go into composting. So just some tips whānau about being able to recognise what cup goes in where. And for this Z one, it's got the information on the bottom and the information on the lid. Same with the Slow Maki. I hope that helps whānau. Kia ora.